Oh, they okay. Hey,
Hi.
she like the last one. See?
Hi. Oh, you're so cute.
Always record. You on the last
Come
one?
home.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See the tail wagging? See?
Yeah, cutie.
I think they girls. Sierra.
Oh,
It's
oh,
another
it's a
one
she.
around. I think they girls.
You smell me? Because
They
I got a dog.
something Colliers. I think that's the owner. See, that's the dog.
Okay, he the
What
owner.
are they again? The Colliers?
The dog.
The dog name. Okay, a Collie.
Collie. Oh, okay.
Oh, so that's her name or the breed of the dog?
Oh, what kind of dog?
Yeah, the breed. Okay, okay. Brittany Spaniel. Okay, I know that's another dog. It's another one around here. Holly, come here, Holly. Good doggy, good doggy. It's another one around here, Tierra. It's another one. Look, she tears the cage back. I don't know where the other one is at.
Oh, yeah.
It's two. It's another one. It's two
Is
of
the
them.
other one nice?
They both nice.
Because they're both nice.
Don't remember. It might be behind the counter.
He running the first one.
See, but it's another. It's a white and black. See, this is.
She like us. Hi.
3 times.
You're a cutie. You know that?
Tell me what you need.
You smell me? You know I got another dog, don't you? I'm smelling you too.
Look at the tail. You see the tail moving? Where's the other dog at? Your other bone buddy at?
She's in the back.
She in the back. See?
Oh, she can go back.
Yeah. Good Holly. Good doggy. Yes, that's pretty good. Look at these. Look. See, that's cool, right? That's pretty cool, man. In the raid next door. Sweet raid next door. You want guns and hunting? Raid next. See the small game with my neighbor Dennis. Look all the heads. See. Oh look! I think that's a ram. That's a ram. That's a ram. That's a ram.
Yeah. The real one?
That's the head. The ram.
That's crazy.
Wow. Look, I wonder what kind of cat is this.
$2,000
They real guns. These all real stuff. I wonder what's the name of this. This is actually real, but it's stuff. It's dead, but it's a name for it. They do. I can't get the name. Dennis will know what it is. These are wild. This is a bobcat. I think this is a bobcat.
Wow.
Man, and they could get a little bit bigger than this, but in the wild, man, they attack you. They wild. Yep.
Wow.
These
Is
are,
your horns like that?
that's the ram.
That's you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that.
Something like it. That's a goat.
Oh.
Yeah.
These would kill you.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Well, but Holly's pretty cool. Oh, she's another one here. Look, I think this is a fox. Look. No, seriously. This is a fox. I think. Is this a fox?
No, there's something else in here.
This a fox, right, Dennis?
That's a chihuahua.
No,
What? Come on, man.
That's a chihuahua, not a fox.
I'm my
That's what you call it, pocket care one time. He's not getting your stuff.
She looks,
How you
see.
doing, bud? There's your deer, huh? How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, nothing to write home about, but at least it was a deer. Yeah.
Okay, bye. Peace.
Peace.